What a beautiful day. It is about 82 degrees up here in New Hampshire. It has been raining for the better part of 2 weeks. And intentionally, I have not mowed, even if it didn't rain, for one big reason. I love the flowers to grow because I like to support the bee population. We have a few people on my street that have beehives, and we need bees to pollinate. We all have farms, and we really need bees to create all of the great vegetables and fruits and everything that we want to grow up here. But now it's time to mow, and the grass is super long. Whenever you're taking on mowing something like this with grass this high and grass this thick, you have to do it a certain way. Whenever you mow it a certain way, especially with an electric tractor, electric lawnmower, you got to be really careful, and there's in particular ways you should do that. Today we are going to be taking a look at the proper way to mow long grass with an electric tractor. So get ready, here we go. So whenever you're mowing, you actually need to start your way on the outside and work your way to the inside with your chute pointed to the outside. And the reason why is so that you don't overlap the grass clippings, and it makes it a little bit easier to mow. And it also is a continuous motion, so you don't have to start and stop and all that good stuff. So as you can see, there is a lot of yard clippings all around here, but you can see they're also in rows, and that's exactly what you want to see, because you don't want to continue to cut each of the grass clippings. You can see they're pretty fairly long, and I know I'm far away, so I'll walk up close, but they're fairly long way. So what that does is that reduces the load on the lawnmower. So you're only cutting the grass one time. You're not doing multiple passes, so it reduces the amount of work that the lawnmower has to do. And the less work it has to do, the longer the batteries are going to last, the better cut that you're going to get. The efficiency of the cut was really good as well. And all that means is that at the end of the day, you get more time to do other things that you want to do. And in order to clean this up, you can use a blower, you can mulch it up, you can collect it. Now, if you had a bagger, that's a bit of a different story. Now, I do suggest, if you have very long grass like I had, take the bagger off and then go around, cut everything, shoot it to the sides, and then you're going to get a better cut. Then go back and gather everything in a bag. That's going to help clogs. That's going to help a lot of the nutrients to the soil, because you still need some of the nutrients to the soil. But anyways, I hope that everyone got something useful out of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and please help the channel and share the video. Whenever you share the video, one of our big goals is to help people get back into tools, using their hands, doing things for themselves. And if you don't do something for yourselves, well, you're not really learning. But in order to do something for yourself, sometimes you have some mishaps, you have some failures, but that gives you the knowledge that you need in order to succeed and to help somebody else in the future. So everyone, please share the video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Tell me what you think down below and leave a comment. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.